Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off the secure folder show snooze button on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. Next, we go down and tap on secure folder. Now you need to sign in with a PIN password or a fingerprint. Next, we go down and tap on notifications and data. After that, tap on advanced settings. Now at the top here, tap on show snooze button. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or turn off show snooze button for the secure folder. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.